Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini croissants with puff pastry. First, ensure your puff pastry is properly thawed, which usually takes around 40 minutes at room temperature. Carefully unfold one sheet onto a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking. Next, using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, divide the pastry sheet into 3 equal strips lengthwise. Then, cut each of these strips into 4 triangles, giving you 12 pieces in total for your mini croissants. Now, let's shape these delightful mini croissants. Take one pastry triangle and gently stretch it a little, elongating it slightly. Begin rolling the pastry tightly from the wide base, moving towards the narrow point. Once rolled, gently curve the ends of the pastry inward to create that classic crescent shape. This simple technique transforms your flat triangles into recognizable mini croissants. Repeat this step for all 12 pieces. This is where you can get creative with fillings. If you desire, place a small amount of your chosen filling, like a chocolate chip, a tiny piece of cheese, or a dab of jam, near the wide end of each triangle before rolling. For that beautiful golden brown crust, prepare an egg wash by whisking 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Gently brush this mixture over the top of each mini croissant. This step adds shine and helps achieve a perfect color. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange your prepared mini croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for approximately 12 to 15 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully puffed. Let them cool for a few minutes before serving. These warm, flaky mini croissants are perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.